case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Minnesota Supreme Court heard the case of Pratt v. State, Department of Natural Resources, which centered on the impact of land use regulations on private property values. Mr. Pratt, a landowner who harvested wild rice using a mechanical picker, was informed by the state that he must switch to a hand flailing method. This change was due to the 1973 reclassification of 3 sloughs on his property from private to public waters, effectively prohibiting the use of mechanical pickers. Claiming compensation for his loss, Mr. Pratt took his case to Crow Wing County District Court, arguing that the waters were private and not subject to state regulation. The court ruled that the waters were indeed public, and the reclassification constituted a compensable taking against Mr. Pratt, as it hindered his preferred method of harvesting. This decision was upheld by the Minnesota Supreme Court. The case was ultimately sent back to the district court for further examination of substantial property loss. If such loss was confirmed, enforcement of the restrictive regulations against Mr. Pratt's property would be enjoined. Throughout the trial, the court carefully considered whether the regulation's functions were significant enough to justify its classification as a taking.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.